Hello humans, how art thou today? Doing, okay I guess. So you're probably wondering why I look like an idiot right now. Captain Cabbage Patch, or Joshclops as I have been called. I currently have a very, very annoying star in my eye. And I'd rather you guys not be staring at my hideous freaking giant eye. So I have this ridiculous patch. I bought the patch because someone told me I could take cabbage, put cabbage on there, and slap a patch on, and it kind of helped, and now I just have the patch. So yeah, I am wearing this so you guys do not have to look at that. So now that that's out of the way, we're going to do a Munchpak unboxing. It is only going to be me today because once you are a freak and have only one eye, nobody wants to see you. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, so let's go ahead and pop this bad boy open and see what we have inside. This one was packed. This one was packed by Elizabeth. Alright, let's do this, and then we shall do the strip. Alright, let's take a look here. Very strange. Alright, so first thing we have is... Oh man, and then that messed up my throat because I do not want this at all. Alright. Oh man. Cucumber flavored chips. Yes, and it's from China. I really, really do not want this because I don't like cucumber. Moving on. Then we have Sabritas cheese and chili flavored queso y chili from Mexico. Now these actually look pretty good. We have something really cute. Tofu biscuits, rock salt flavor from Taiwan. Alright. Oh boy. Got more of these. I better put these with Stathina's pack here because we know those are going to her. And then a large cocoa and hazelnut cream tart. Alright, and that's from Italy. Don't you want a Fanta? This is a Fanta Shokata elderberry soda from Croatia. Now that's cool. It's elderberry. That's like every freaking video game and D&D game I've heard of. Alright, what else do we have? Oh, that smells squishy. Finny Roller Blue Raspberry Candy from Spain. Looks like another Kinder Hippo. This is a Azatir Marmol cookie. It's a traditional Middle Eastern cookie made with dates from the United Arab Emirates. And a Dutch stroop waffle from the Netherlands. And oh yeah, Uha Mako, a whole lot. Uha Mikakuto Pusho grape. Grape chewies from Japan. Alright, sweet. So let's start popping and tasting some of these bad boys. Definitely going with these chip things right off the bat here. I really don't want to try those cucumber ones at all. Kind of, alright. They're less, not bad. Honestly, they kind of taste like a chili lime Frito. They're not really good. There's no cheese flavor whatsoever, so that is bad. Let's go ahead and pop open. I don't know. I feel like I don't want to try these because I know I'm going to hate them, and I know I could probably give them to a friend who would love them, so I don't know. Let's do this, you know what, I'm going with the Fanta. I gotta get that chili lime flavor out of my mouth here, so let's see. This is elderberry. Oh, man. Wow, I feel like I've never had something like this before. Holy crap. Wow. Wow, that is so good. That's it's like what blue raspberry has ever wanted to be. I feel like I don't know, The packaging is great. The flavor is great. It's an elderberry soda. Like, I just feel like I need to play that when playing an RPG. All right, let's. I'm not really impressed too much. There's not really any gummies, which is really a bummer. So we'll go with this one next here. Oh, it's all busted up. All right. That's really busted up. Smells interesting. Wow, it's all over my face. No, that's that reminds me of those really cheap Christmas cookies that like one's grandma would have that you really don't like but kind of eat out of desperation. Not really feeling those. So there's no way this chewy waffle is gonna let me down. So far, only the elderberry's been any good. Alright, this thing's all kind of messy too. Alright. Oh, it's so hard. That's not bad. So messy. So messy. I don't know. I'm really happy so far. It's a little rough. The only thing this is really doing is getting crap all over my table, which I'm not really happy about. So let's go with. Alright, I'm trying to try the new stuff basically. Let's do the hazelnut cream tart from Italy. It's cute as heck. Ooh. There's a lot of biscuit to get through. That one's really good. Wow. That one's fantastic. The shortbread flavor is just really, really prominent. And then when you get that chocolate kick afterwards, it's really, really delicious. That's exactly what I'm looking for in a biscuit. I don't know what's going on with that date one, but the one from Italy is really delicious. So we already know what this tastes like. We know that's bad. Really, the only thing we have left now are pretty much these. So let's go with these rock salt biscuits from Taiwan. I'm not sure how I'm gonna feel about them, but I don't really smell like anything. Cute as hell though. Oh wow, these are good. Alright, well, right off the bat, I'll tell you these are absolutely delicious, and they taste identical to Ritz crackers. So that's probably why they taste so good. So I definitely recommend, if you ever see one of these, just eat the heck out of them. They're really, really tasty. I could destroy this whole bag, that's for sure. Alright, so the last thing I think we'll have is this chewy one here. I guess this could be considered a gummy, if you will. Nothing too impressive on the ingredients. Corn syrup. Just kind of hoping for like the good, like real stuff. Usually the international chewies and yummies are like that. Oh man, it's getting sugar everywhere. Oh man, so good though. I knew it would be. I mean, obviously, but wow. It's quite tart. Woo. Whoa. Woo. All right. That was definitely quite sour. I mean, we have a couple of things left, but we kind of know what these are going to taste like. They're the chewy things that we've had constantly. We had these a couple of Munchpaks ago, so we're not going to waste those. And honestly, we all know this is freaking delicious. This is little Kinder Hippo things. They're absolutely divine. I'm really conflicted on this, but I don't think I'm going to open these up. Not because I'm grossed out by them, but I honestly know that if I open these up, that I will not eat the rest of them, because I know I'm not going to like them. And then I can't really give them to anybody else, because by the time I give them to somebody, they're going to end up being stale. So we're gonna hold off on those. Again, if I had someone guest star, I would let them try it. Well, that's kind of like Madonna's boob armor. Anyways, but yeah, so I'm gonna hold off on those. So anyways, yeah, I appreciate you guys holding off. I was going to do a video every Thursday. I did do one last Thursday just because my eye was feeling like crap and I didn't have my handy-dandy patch here to cover up my hideousness. And I wasn't in the mood to deal with Joshclops. So I should have another video next week, either going to be on Thursday or Sunday. I have not decided yet. A little cracker on my face there. But other than that, I'd like to thank you guys all for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And you have yourself a handy-dandy day. That was really cheesy. I don't know why I said that. Have a good one, guys.